Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to game share on your Xbox Series X or S. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and select this. Now, under general, let's go to the right and go to personalization. Then go on down to where it says My Home Xbox. And make sure this is checkmarked My Home Xbox on the account you buy your games and you have Game Pass on. This will share all your games in Game Pass with every other account on your Xbox. Now, once this is set, we can go back to the home screen here and then go to My Games and Apps and then go to See All. And we want to go over to where it says Full Library. And if we download a game through our library, we can then play it on other accounts on our Xbox. So it has to be installed on our Xbox. You won't be able to download these from your other accounts, come to your main account and then install them here. And then your other accounts should be able to play them. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.